Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'll be doing a review on the Apres Gel-X nail kit. So I'm just gonna start off by showing you everything that it comes with. So you open it up and then you take off the top part. You'll have your gel tips underneath. The ones that I picked are the medium coffin ones. And this is what they look like. It comes with a lot of nail tips. I'm just taking one to show you a little bit closer how they look. And they feel very sturdy. They don't feel like they're going to break or bend easily, which is really good. Next, you'll see this little card that has the step-by-step instructions on how to apply the gel tips. I'll be following the instructions as I go along since this is my first time using this kit. And then you'll have the user's manual for the little LED lamp that it comes with. I didn't really use this lamp for this video, maybe a few times, but it's a little bit hard to use it while trying to apply the nail tips with only my one other hand. So I did use a separate nail lamp that is hands-free, but here's what the little lamp looks like. And then you just press the top of it to light it up. And then we also have the cable for the lamp. Next we have what we need. We have our bonder, our primer, we have the extend gel, and we also have a non-wipe top coat. So starting off, I'm just going to buff my nails with a sanding band to remove the shine off my nails. And this is so that the gel extensions can adhere better to the nail. Next, what you do is you want to measure all the nail sizes to your nail to make sure they'll fit. And so I already pre-measured them, but what I'm doing is going in with a nail file to file around the edges just to make sure it really fits perfectly. And if you grab a nail tip that is too small and the next size up is too big, it's better off to go with the one that is a little too big and file around the edges, because using a nail tip that's too small can cause it to lift more or just pop right off the nail or make the nail very uncomfortable while you're wearing them. So it's best off to go with the one size that's bigger. So now I'll be going in with the pH bonder / dehydrator, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. Then I'm gonna go in with the primer, and I'm also going to apply that to all of my natural nails. Now I'm going in with the extend gel, and I'm going to apply a very thin layer to all the natural nails. Now what I'm doing is removing the shine from the inside of the nail where I'm going to apply it onto my natural nail. And I should have did the whole nail tip prep before I prepped my own nails and applied the gel, because while filing those nail tips and having the gel already on my fingernails, some of the dust got stuck on my nail. It's not too big of a deal, but it's better off to completely prep those nail tips and then move on to your natural nail, just so you don't get any dust stuck anywhere. So next what I'm going to do is start applying the gel tips, and I'm going to start off by applying some gel around where I had filed, and then what I'm going to do is add another drop right at the cuticle area of that gel tip. And what you're going to do is when you go to apply that nail tip, you start at the cuticle and you slowly push it down until you have the nail fully adhered to your nail, and then you go into cure it. You want to make sure that the gel spread nice and even around your whole nail so that it doesn't cause lifting or air bubbles or anything. And if you do see a few air bubbles or some places that still need gel, go ahead and just take that nail tip off and apply some more gel so you can put it back on. So I did get a tiny bit of flooding while I was doing this, but it wasn't too much, so I wouldn't say that it's too messy to work with. It definitely takes practice though. And here are all the nail tips applied. I did both hands so I can show you, and you can see I do have a bit of flooding around the cuticles, but I'll be able to clean that up. So I'm going in with this cuticle bit and just removing that gel that is flooded around my cuticles and making sure there is nothing else stuck to my skin. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and reshape the nails a bit. Not too much because I really like the shape that the nail tips already come in. So here's the design I'll be doing. I already fully did my right hand, so I'm gonna be showing you how I did it on my left hand. And before I applied the gel polish, I did buff the shine off of those gel extensions just so the base coat would adhere better to that gel extension nail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the base coat to all the nails, and then I'll start going in with the colors. So starting off, I'm going in with a very light purple for my ring finger. This is the Nail Factory One Shot in the color Beautiful. Next, I'm going in with a more lilac purple, and this one is Nail Factory One Shot in the color Confident. And I'm just going to be applying that to the rest of my fingers except for the middle finger. And after I apply those layers, I always turn between each layer, then go in with a second coat. Next, I'm going in with this Lovely Nails One Step Gel Polish, and this one is just full of glitter and flakes. I'm going to be applying that to my middle finger. And I'm just going in with a second coat of each of the colors. So now I'll be doing the design, and I'm starting off by taking the lilac purple on that lighter purple nail, my ring finger, and I'll just be making random spots on the nail. There's no specific way to do it, it's just very random. Now I'm going to take some black painting gel. This is by Legacy Nails in Black. And I'm going to use that with a liner brush and just draw a few lines around those spots. Then after I draw these lines around each of the purple spots, I'm going to apply a few more black dots around those just to fill it up more. And that is it for the design. So now I'm just going to apply the top coat on all of the nails. The top coat is very smooth, it didn't have any bubbling, and it's also super shiny, so I really love the top coat. And as far as the nails go, I had them on I think 2.5 weeks before I removed them, and I had absolutely no chipping, no peeling, no lifting. They hadn't bent or anything like that. They're super strong, durable nails, and I highly recommend this kit, and I'll definitely be using these nails a lot more. It made application for me on my own hands faster and easier to do. Apres is a bit more on the pricier side, but I will also be reviewing other like gel extension kits that are out there, so stay in tune for that. But this kit, I really liked it, and the quality is great. I want to try the other nail shapes and nail tips that they have, and hopefully I'll be getting a lot more videos out soon for you guys. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.